Okay, here we go again. I guess I'm letting my obsession with bobcats get to me a little because I bought another one. This one's different because it has wheels. The others didn't have any wheels. This one has tracks. The others had wheels. So now I'm trying a different one. Trying to get my worker. He's got his leg amputated, unfortunately, in a past show. So we're trying to put his leg back on. That's what happens when you go hunting with amateurs. There. Who you call an amateur? Okay, so yeah, this one has tracks. They have different attachments. So like this one has this has wheels, and it has the fork stand up. My goodness, pay attention there. We got all day to make this video. Look at the, oh my God, you guys. We are going to put you guys in the bucket. Okay, the other one has the bucket. So anyway, those two have wheels. Yeah, hold on. Oh, so anyway, yeah, these are pretty cool RCs. Let's look at the box, what it says. It says full function radio controlled sound functions, long time play, frequency 2.4G, auto demo functions, authentic scale model, individual movement, rechargeable battery. Yeah, so frequency 2.4 gigahertz, maximum number of users and machines 12. Huh. Controller working range 25 feet, 25 millimeter, 82 feet, max speed 0.8 km, it's a 1/16 scale, max playtime 40 minutes, loaded 50 minutes, unloaded, charging time 180 minutes, charger input is DC 5 volts 2 amp, output 7.4 volt 1 amp, rechargeable battery 1 by 7.4 volt 600 millamp, controller battery is 3A size, 2A size, AAA size 2. Controller battery AAA size times 2. Product weight, loader excluding battery 1.9 kg or 3.14 pounds. Low capacity is maximum 300 G per gram, and not even a pound, 0.66 pound. Okay, radio control loader. What's on this side? Nothing. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. Got our two inspectors here. That looks like a female with the tattoo on her face. I think and this is Fred and Ethel. Does that look like Fred and Ethel to you? Okay. Let's see, what do we got here? We got rope. Lots of rope.